Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Michael Panetta here with a new video. Today we are taking a look at a critical piece in anyone's computer setup. That is storage. This is something that has become so affordable over the years that you can't make excuses to not save and back up almost everything. Now, Synology was nice enough to send out their DS216 Play, and they refer to it as the Multimedia Enhanced Personal Cloud Solution. Now, they specifically built this for easy access to add or replace any drives to increase your space. They were also nice enough to include 2 drives in this. Each are 4 terabytes, which gives me more than enough space for everything that I need. They are 2 Seagate Iron Wolf version NAS drives. These are specifically made for NAS systems. Now, this particular model has since been replaced with a newer model, basically because I took too long to share the dang video. That has nothing to do with Synology, this is all my fault. They've been nothing but helpful with any questions that I've had using this. I've never had any specific issues with the operation either. Now, the newer model is the DS218 Play, and it has been updated with some awesome features. Here's a side-by-side comparison between the two. They've updated the processor to a Realtek RTD 1296, and they've moved from a 32-bit to a 64-bit architecture. They've replaced the dual-core CPU on mine with an awesome quad-core 1.4 GHz CPU. And also the memory is now a 1 gig DDR4 compared to the previous model, which was a 1 gig DDR3. Taking a look at the back of my unit, you've got your power, you've got 2 USB ports, one is a 3.0 and another 2.0, and a gigabit Ethernet port, and also a Kensington lock. The newer version has been updated to 2 USB 3.0 ports if you want to add any additional storage to this device. If you want to check out the rest of the specs, I will go ahead and link them in the description. Now, hooking this up to your network is extremely easy. You use your Ethernet on your wireless network, and you hook it up to the back of the Synology, and you hit the power, turn it on. Pretty simple. They also have some really cool apps that you can download. This in particular one is the DS File, and I can access all my files from my phone if I need to look at them. Something that I'm not going to do a whole lot, but I wanted to show you that it is available. And again, there are a number of apps that you can download on iOS or Android. Now, along with this storage, you have to have a good operating system, and Synology does that with their Disk Station Manager. It's a web-based operating system that offers access anytime and anywhere that you need it, or even if you need to share your data. This system also offers a number of first-party and third-party apps as well to be able to help you manage your data the way that you feel is important. Now, I myself use this to store my YouTube RAW files, completed projects, of course backups from all my computers, music, pictures, and movies. Also, what I love about Synology is that I don't need their specific hardware to extract data off my drives if I decide to move to any other kind of NAS system. There are many systems out there that do not allow you to do that. They have proprietary software, and you're basically stuck using their device. If you want to get more in-depth, I will go ahead and link a video to Tomas Villegas, who does a great job explaining they're a little more higher end devices, which pretty much do the same thing that this does, but he does an awesome job explaining exactly how it all works for you. Now, of course, you can pick the unit up itself for about $250. Now, keep in mind, you do have to buy the drive separately. I will link the Seagate Iron Wolf NAS drives down below. They run pretty good. You can get a 4 terabyte drive for only $120, so it's up to you on what you want to do. They've got 1 terabyte all the way up to 12 terabytes per disk drive. So again, links in the description. I want to thank the folks over at Synology for sending this out for review. I apologize to them for taking so long to get this review up, but it is an awesome unit. I don't think you can go wrong by taking a look at it. So all the links in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate all your support. You guys have a good day. I'll talk to you later.